What's up, guys? Barry Max Diesel here with another how-to video. Today's episode we're going to be going over how to do tow mirrors on a 2011 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to pop this off. There's 3 tabs underneath here. You can just pull it and it'll pop right out. Looks like that one's already broken, but then there will be another one, another little tab back behind here. Pop that off, and then there'll be another one right here in this door handle. What you do is you'll pop that off, like so, and then this locking mechanism right here slides right up. There'll be a 10mm here and 2 10mm right there. So you want to open this like this, unscrew those, try not to drop the screws down in here like I just did. But after that's done, you should be able to find your way, find the spot, and pop, and it pops right off. Another screw. Pops right off, and then picks right up. Just like that. So then from here, you don't have to remove this whole door panel. You can just let it sit just like that, because all you're getting at is this spot right here. You pull that stuffing out of there, and there will be 3 more 10mm bolts right there, and this line follows underneath here. You want to follow that down to the point where it connects, and then you'll just unplug it and unscrew these and pop that off and run this wire straight out of there and put the new one in. So I'll show you that in just a second. Alright, so here are the new tow mirrors. Unmatched, all nice. So, how we will install these, we'll slide it out like this, that through, that, and then push these wires through. These wires right here will be for your switchbacks, and we'll get to that in a second. And you'll find the holes back here. Just like so. Hear that pop? We'll take your nut and put it back on the posts. Screw one in, help you hold it, and we'll just finish screwing those off, and then we'll run this back down where it's supposed to, and it clips to underneath this, and then this we will run to the power and negative for the switchbacks to flash when we return the blinkers on. Okay guys, so it clips up underneath there. And you want to zip tie this off, since this doesn't come with the connectors for it. Just zip tie it there. And then if yours comes with switchbacks, you want to take these panels off. They just pop right off. And I ran it through there, through my harness right there, into here. And then I'm going to run all of this through my firewall up there, straight to my fuse box. Alright guys, so there you have it. It's all put back together. Tow mirrors assembled and on. And I will show y'all a video of me wiring it up. The exact same process is on the other side. Alright guys, so the blue, white, and gray wires that were sitting right here come out of each tow mirror. What you're going to want to do, like I showed you, run them up through there. The passenger one, I just ran up along the dash, up here, and then down through here, and you can see where I dropped it down. And I brought it through the firewall. So with the backup lights will be blue, and I ran it to number, no, I'm wrong. The backup lights are white, and I ran it to 14, which was the vehicle backup. And then the running lights, white light, I ran it to 23, so the left parking right here. And I'll show you them on. So they turn on when just your parking lights are on, and then you can turn your actual headlights on. That looks like that. Alright guys, got the headlights installed and the tow mirrors. Got the switchbacks, headlights, sequentials. That's how you do it. See y'all next time.